畜戦争は乗り切れないよ。はい、大好きです。
I'm from Virginia, yo, I'm keeping it G.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be creating some neon colored acrylic powders. With summer right around the corner, bright colors are definitely in. Perfect for spring, perfect for summer, just perfect all year round. Who doesn't like bright colors? So today I will be creating my own to go ahead and add to my acrylic collection. So please keep watching. So for today's project, you will need some white acrylic powder. I'm using Speed White by Young Nails. You will need a cuticle pusher. You will need your powders. I got mine off of AliExpress, but I'm sure Amazon has them. You will need a natural powder, so or clear, whatever you have. And of course, containers to mix in. So first, honestly, guys, it's not a good judgment as far as with like ingredients. I just know that I did equal parts white powder to equal parts natural powder. I kind of eyeballed it in a way. I did try pouring it at one point, but realized that made a mess, so went back to scooping. Yeah, I tried all different ways, but eventually went back to scooping. But once you get all your containers filled up with your acrylic powder, you will then go in with the pigment powder, and I did about 2 scoops, not like an even scoop, but kind of like a heaping scoop with the pusher. Because there is neon, so you want them to be really bright and pigmented. So I just went ahead and did 2 scoops of each color per container and shook those up. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and test all of these out. Once you get those shaken up, I think these came out pretty good. You will, so yeah, testing out the yellow. It seems pretty pigmented. The consistency is pretty good. I will say I think maybe the pigment is getting caught in my brush a little bit more. Maybe I think maybe once it marinates, since it's it may come out good, but the color is amazing. The color came out very good. The consistency is pretty good. I wasn't sure how that was gonna, the Speed White would have reacted with the regular natural, but it's actually pretty smooth. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just speed the rest of these up to show you guys what the rest of the colors look like.
Baby, tell me who you with. If it ain't grand, it ain't beneficial. Pass the J and hit you.